Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about the psychology behind success. Success is not an accident. It is not only about talent, luck, or intelligence. Behind every successful person there is a powerful psychology, a way of thinking, reacting, and believing that separates them from the rest. Many people chase success externally, money, fame, titles, or validation. But successful people build success internally first, in their mind. Today, we will explore the psychology behind success, how successful people think, act, and respond to life differently. One, success starts in the mind. Every achievement begins as a thought. Before a business is built, before a goal is achieved, before a life is changed, it first exists in the mind. Successful people believe one simple truth. If I can control my thinking, I can control my future. They understand that. Thoughts shape decisions, decisions shape actions, actions shape habits, habits shape destiny. Unsuccessful people often say, I can't. It's too hard. I'm not lucky. Successful people say, I'll find a way. I can learn this. Failure is part of growth. This difference in thinking creates a massive difference in results. 2. Growth mindset versus fixed mindset. One of the most important psychological principles of success is the growth mindset. A fixed mindset believes intelligence is limited. Talent is fixed. Failure means you're not good enough. A growth mindset believes skills can be developed. Intelligence grows with effort. Failure is feedback. Successful people operate with a growth mindset. When they fail, they don't ask, why am I so bad? They ask, what can I learn from this? This mindset turns obstacles into lessons and problems into opportunities. 3. Successful people are emotionally strong. Success is not about avoiding problems. It's about handling emotions during problems. Successful people feel fear, doubt, and stress, just like everyone else. The difference is they don't let emotions control their actions. They understand fear is temporary. Discomfort is part of growth. Pressure creates strength. Instead of quitting when things get hard, they stay calm and focused. They train their mind to respond, not react. 4. Discipline over motivation. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. Psychologically, successful people don't rely on motivation alone. They build systems and habits. They show up, even when they don't feel like it. Even when results are slow, even when no one is watching. Their mindset is, I don't need to feel motivated. I need to be consistent. This discipline compounds over time and creates massive success. Long-term thinking. Most people think short-term, immediate comfort, instant results, quick rewards. Successful people think long-term. They are willing to sacrifice today for a better tomorrow. Stay patient while others quit. Build slowly but sustainably. Psychologically, they understand delayed gratification, the ability to resist short-term pleasure for long-term success. This single trait separates high achievers from average individuals. Responsibility and ownership. One powerful success psychology rule is taking full responsibility. Successful people don't blame the economy, their past, other people. They say, if my life isn't where I want it to be, it's my responsibility to change it. This mindset gives them power, because when you take responsibility, you gain control. Failure is not the enemy. Most people fear failure. Successful people expect it. They understand that failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of success. Psychologically, they reframe failure as a learning experience, a test of character, a step forward. They don't quit because they failed. They quit only when they stop learning. 8. Self-belief and identity. Success is deeply connected to identity. Successful people don't just do successful actions. They see themselves as successful individuals. They ask, what would a successful person do in this situation? Their self-talk is powerful. I am capable. I can figure this out. I deserve success. This belief shapes their behavior and decisions daily. 9. Focus and mental clarity. Success requires focus. Successful people protect their attention. They avoid unnecessary distractions. They say no more often. They focus on priorities, not noise. They understand that where attention goes, energy flows. Psychologically, they train their mind to stay present and intentional. 10. Positive self-talk. Your mind is always listening. Successful people are aware of their inner dialogue. They don't insult themselves mentally. Instead of, "I'm not good enough," they say, "I'm improving every day." Positive self-talk builds confidence, resilience, and clarity. Thank you for watching.